Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another hair video today, and today's wig is from WowAfrican. I'm working with their Kinky Straight wig today, and guys, I'm so in love with the hairline, the customization, the lace. Everything is just on point when it comes to this wig from WowAfrican. So I'm going to be showing you how to get your kinky hair bone straight and very sleek. So if you guys want to see how I installed and styled this wig, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. So I've already straightened majority of the wig, so now I just need to straighten the front of the wig, and then we can go ahead and install the wig. Also, when it comes to the baby hairs, it comes with like this curly kinky baby hairs. I think this is a new thing that, you know, that wig companies are doing now to make it look more natural, I guess. And when it comes to kinky hair, I like to use the hot comb first, and then I use my straighteners, and I feel like that's the best way to get your kinky straight hair to look, you know, really sleek and very straight. Well, as straight as you can get it, basically. So yeah. So now I'm just gonna style the top of the wig. It comes with a pre-plucked hairline, as you can see, but I'm just gonna pluck around it to make it look more natural, and I think I'm gonna hot comb the baby hairs as well.
Better play carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you're gonna be there for me. Will I be the 1 or 2 or 3? My life, you go never mess with me unless you did try and you go see. Maybe I'll be too harsh, I know. They only wanna know how we do. Are you gonna be there for sure? That's only between us alone. I'm a sorrow, poop off, fuck off in my diary, waru. Now you know how low-key I roll. Don't tell your bros, I'll vibe, you vibe, we vibe. Jealousy, nobody compares to me. Respectfully, but they know they come for free. Say you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to got it with a fake energy. Say you're gonna be there for me. Will I be the 1 or 2 or 3? My life, you go never mess with me unless you did try and you go see.
Okay, so I've got the wig on, and this is what the hairline looks like, guys. This looks so good. It looks really, really natural, and I feel like the hair in general is just giving natural hair vibes. So like I said, this wig is from WowAfrican, and this is their Kinky Straight wig with some curly baby hairs. I'm so impressed with this wig. The lace looks really good as well. Looks amazing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install the wig now, and then we can go from there.
Dying for my love, tender love and touch. You want mess around, gotta put it down. If you keep it low, they can spoil it so. Don't catch feelings, oh. Please don't tell us so. Dying for my love, but wanting a tender love and touch. I know there's something without no trust. The rope in my been looking too low. What for? I don't need to show my love. Baby, my love slow. No, you be jealousy, nobody compared to me. Respectfully, but they know they come for free. Say you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you're gonna be there for me. Will I be the 1 or 2 or 3? My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try and you could see. Maybe I'll be too harsh, I know. They only wanna know how we do. Are you gonna be there for sure? That's only between us alone. I'm a sorrow, poop off from home. Fuck off in my diary, waru. Now you know how low-key I roll. Don't tell your bros, I'll vibe, you vibe, we vibe. Jealousy, nobody compared to me. Respectfully, but they know they come for free. Say you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you're gonna be there for me. Will I be the 1 or 2 or 3? My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try and you could see.
Guys, this looks so good. Honestly, like, I have nothing bad to say about this wig. The hairline is amazing, the lace is everything. Like, there's literally nothing bad to say about this wig. And this is a 13/6. It goes all the way to the back, as you guys can see. So, and now I'm just going to apply some concealer just to make this stand out a bit more. This looks so good. This is definitely giving natural hair vibes. If you plan on getting this wig, I would definitely recommend you get 150 density, because this is 150, so you can just imagine how 180 would look. So I feel like this is just the perfect density, you know. Guys, let me know what you think of this wig in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next one.